Hi, what's up YouTube? Welcome to the Struggling Day Trader channel. The name is Hassan and this channel is about my struggle to become a profitable day trader. I'm here streaming live every market open so you guys can watch me as I struggle through, see my trades, my entries and my exits, all that good stuff. If that's your type of thing, hit that like button and subscribe and let's get to it. It is time to go over my trades for the day. Now I know I got my R's on the thumbnail, so the drum roll is kind of pointless probably for most people, but it's fun, so drum roll. Let's go, man. What a day. What a day. And like 13R day, $130 off of $10 risk per trade. And it's crazy because I'm still feeling like I missed out on a lot. Like this Amazon trade that my main profit target was a pre-market high. I actually had a partial take profit sitting at the pre-market high, which was 199. But once I saw 3R and it started trading above 3R, I really just didn't want to give back that 3R. I wanted that 3R, which I had my stop under this low at first, and it came back down and my stop would have held if I kept it there. But I was trading my P&L for sure, and I really just wanted to maintain my 3R. I moved up my stop way too early, but it's all good. It's all good. You know, I saw this breakout on the daily too, and I really wanted to be a part of it. But hey, man, you can't catch everything. You can't catch everything. And I caught a lot of nice trades today, so I am not gonna find myself being upset that I missed this big old move right there. You know, it's all good. So I saw the daily setup on Amazon in pre-market, and I thought it looked really good, and I had my bias all biasized, and I actually took a trade pre-market, which I have not done in probably a year or two. It's been a long time since I've taken a trade pre-market, but I just wanted to be early, a little FOMO, and then I ended up stopping out in a R, down a R after the open. Like, duh, just wait till the open, man. I won't be doing that anymore. Anyway, it made a new high, and I bought that, which was a 15-minute break, and that did not work. So let's see, pre-market entry, absolute FOMO. Won't be doing that again. Don't do that. Minus 1R there. Second trade was 15-minute. I guess that's still an opening range breakout. Rolled over immediately. Was that with the SPY? What time was that? 10:08. I feel like I see that at 10:08 a lot, come to think of it. Yep, sure enough was the SPY. Rolled over, two big red candles on the SPY at 10:08. Stopped me out there. Minus 1R. And then after trading below VWAP for some time, I saw it retaking VWAP, and I believe was that a 15? I think that's more of a 5-minute break over V. And yeah, then that was the beginning of my position that I took all the way to 3R, which I left like probably 3 more R on the table, as this thing is testing 200 right now. Man, just broke through 200. Oh, it would have been nice to be a part of that. But anyway, added on higher low dips to VWAP plus 3R. Very nice trade. Got my 2R loss back plus 1R on Amazon. That was great. Now Tesla is another one that I took. I got a couple shares pre-market. I was sitting here and Tesla started going off pre-market. Like, look at this. It started going. I was like, man, You're gonna leave me behind. I'm gonna get something in there. So I got one, and I got another one, and then I was like, all right, I'm chilling. And then Tesla opened up, and it was holding. It was holding. I think I got in on this 5-minute break over the opening range. So 5-minute ORB. Man, I took profits at 4R and closed up plus. Actually, this was higher than that. This was like 5 something R that I took profits. Anyway, finished up 6.5 R on Tesla. Amazing trade. It's so much strength, and just letting it kind of, just looking for that 5-minute opening range breakout. That's all I was really looking for today. I think that's the new money, man. I wasn't really looking for any 2-minute opening range breakouts, just because it's like, man, the confirmation on the 5 versus the 2 is so much greater. Like, why even mess around, man? Why even mess around? So yeah, that's how that played out. Apple trade. Apple was another one that was just really nice. Apple was also a 5-minute ORB added on 5-minute break and 15-minute break. Or was that a dip on the? That might have been a dip on the 2. I don't know, but that was a great buy. That was a great buy. This ad, all of these ads were perfect on Apple. This one, that one, and that one. I mean, where else would you want to buy to build your position? I mean, if you didn't buy it all down here, I can't see any greater places to add than these 3 as far as waiting for confirmation. Man, excellent. Traded that one really well. Really well on Apple. Man, mashallah, I'm impressed with that one. Really nice trading on Apple. MU got me. I think MU got me. No, it didn't get me. Okay. So MU was a 5-minute ORB, and I put my stop where I'm supposed to put it, and it just never got hit. It didn't go. I think I might have been a little distracted to add, because I feel like normally I might have tried to add to that, but I didn't, thankfully. And that was what was able to keep me in the position, because my stop just stayed where it was from the initial ad, which I believe is low of day. And so it came back below VWAP, and when it broke back above VWAP on the 5, I added. And then when it made another 5-minute break, I added again. And those were 2 really nice ads on the chart as far as waiting for confirmation. Really nice trading there, man. Really nice trading. I'm so surprised. Like, I could see myself adding right here. I'm glad I didn't. Seeing this big aggressive move up like that, you really got to chill, because it's about to be over and it's going to pull back. And that's exactly what it did. I'm very surprised I survived this. The only reason I survived because I didn't add. But after I survived, I played the rest of it very well. What's that? 130.10, 130.58? Really? Oh no, hold on. 130.58? Okay, this was 130.55. Okay, yeah. So I bought the break over this high right here as it traded through VWAP. Sold off. Tiptoed stop. Added back over VWAP. Added on level break. Took, what is that, 3.5R? And that's pretty good. That was very good take profit on that one. I was just being really aggressive with my stop. I had my stop down here at 3R, but I just didn't want to give anything back, so I dragged my stop up and got myself up out of there, which worked great for that. Amazon, that really shot myself in the foot on Amazon. But hey, man, you know, you're not going to be able to get every move, every piece of every move. So it's all good. I got mine. I definitely got mine. All right, now to the womp womps of the day. The one that got away, AMD, man. So AMD's first attempt was a 5-minute ORB, which was super extended. Super extended. Don't do that. That was ridiculous. Yeah, this is way too big of a candle to try to jump in afterwards. Like, way too extended. The ORB, it has to be the sign of the beginning of the move, not the move. Like, this is the move. You can't buy the ORB after the move has been made that you want to catch with the ORB. You know what I mean? So, way too extended. Don't do that. -1R. And then you flip to the 15 and you watch it as it heads back to VWAP. It broke through VWAP, sold off. When this was a red candle, I was watching it, and I was like, if this thing buys back up, I'll take the break back over VWAP. Turned into a hammer candle, bought the break above VWAP, and added here, added there. And you know what? I still had enough room in my stop to stay in this trade, but I didn't want to risk a full R. And I'm risked $8 instead of $10. So that means that I saved, by raising up my stop too tight, I saved myself $2 from risking a full risk. And that $2 that I saved me cost me this whole move. So the way to avoid feeling like this is to commit to the trade and let your stop be where it's supposed to be. You know, I don't know, but had it sold off and I stopped out there, I would be very happy. So I don't know. I guess you just gotta manage each trade to the best of your knowledge and your instincts and all that stuff. And sometimes it works out, sometimes it doesn't. This time it did not work out. It did not work out. Same on NVDA. Great entry, second trade, move, stop up. Too tight. -1R. And a missed opportunity to get another 3R on the day, but it's all good. Alright, NVIDIA is the last one. Also, miss out. Very similar situation. Bought this hammer candle right here on the 15. And when it started pulling back, I tightened up my stop. My entry was sized so that I could put my stop under the low, which was here. But I wasn't feeling it. It looked weak. It looked weak. And it was behaving weak for a while, and then it went off. So I think I'm less mad about this stop out than I am the AMD, because AMD's really didn't cross through VWAP very far at all, while NVIDIA traded below VWAP quite a bit. So 15-minute hammer, tightened, stop prematurely, -0.3R. Not bad on that, almost a wash on NVIDIA trade. So yeah, man, what a day. I this is things have been going really well, and it's kind of like shocking. I want to do this well. I expect myself to do this well, but I have not been doing this well. So in this moment, it's just like, wow, it's very exciting. It's very exciting. I hope it continues. Um, yeah, I really hope it continues, and just need to stay sharp and just keep building on the skill set, keep building on the mental habits. I really like where I'm at as far as capturing profit once we get to 2R. Um, I like that part a lot. Just sitting there hoping, like having a large amount of money on the table and just hoping that it keeps going and not doing anything to capture it in case it doesn't. And it's happened so many times where I'm so convicted that it's going up and then it goes down. So you just can't, there's no for sures in this thing. So you got to protect yourself. You got to protect yourself with stop losses, and you got to protect your profit by moving your stop up or taking a partial. So that is dramatically improved my profits, I think. I don't know. It's kind of a lot of things that have been evolving at the same time. Looking at the 15 and the 5 for more confirmation before I decide to get into a trade. The 2-minute setups mean much less to me now. They mean almost nothing unless they're in line with a confirmation on the 5 or the 15. The 2-minute is just like, it's information, but it just can't be trusted to the level of the 5 and the 15. You know what I mean? I mean, the 15 is really the main joint. But when it comes to getting entries and managing, I'm definitely looking at the lower time frames. But yeah, the 15 has really been the guidepost. Man, what an amazing time. Appreciate all you guys being along for the journey. Please hit the like button and subscribe. Link for the Discord in the description. And I've been putting some videos. Was it like this? Some videos at the end. I usually put the live stream, the link to the live stream here, and then a random review video here. Oh no, the live stream will be right here, and then these two at the top are like just other videos. So anyway, check them out, hit the like button, and see you guys tomorrow morning. Peace.